Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kulharsh Jaiswal. I am cornea consultant and today I'll be presenting Eye Opener. Eye Opener is a device which we have developed during lockdown period, and it is used as for the opening the eye. Here I am presenting a small video demonstrating its use. Just hold on a second.
Eye opener. Many a times, ocular examination through eye opener. Many a times, ocular examination through slit lamp is difficult when patients do not open their eyes widely. Often, it leads ophthalmologists to use their hands to retract the eyelids. During COVID-19 pandemic, there is high risk of contamination of gloves with tears while retracting the eyelids or accidental touching of patient's face mask while doing so. This can lead to cross-infection of slit lamp knobs and joysticks, ophthalmic lenses, keyboard while entering in electronic medical record or other surrounding surfaces. So this led to the thought of opening eyes without coming in direct contact. An idea of using two cotton buds was proposed, but that too had few challenges. To alleviate this, we then came up with novel 3D printed eye opener, a V-shaped self-recoiling eyelid retractor with each prongs measuring 7 cm in length, 1 cm in width, and angle of 50 degree was designed on SolidWorks software. A hole of 1 mm was made at the anterior ends of the prongs to accommodate the cut ends of the bud. It was then 3D printed with foam-like, flexible, thermoplastic polyurethane material on Ultimaker. A single cotton bud was cut in two equal halves and was placed in the hole at anterior ends of the prongs. Due to its recoil memory, the prongs recoil back to its original position when released. The device does not require use of topical anesthesia during examination as it touches only the skin of the eyelid, making it comfortable for the patient. Since it is very lightweight, it rests over the eyelid without any extra support as an external speculum. After examination, the buds are disposed and the device is cleaned with isopropyl alcohol. Here is the video demonstrating the use of device during corneal scraping. As you can see, the patient is comfortable and the examiner is able to scrape without any assistant. Another video during corneal foreign body removal. Eye opener can also be used for examining conjunctivitis patients during indirect ophthalmoscopy, during forced duction test, and for examining post-operative follow-up cases. Eye opener is a novel device which is easy to use, simple design, reusable, and safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kulharsh. I'll request Dr. Deepak Mishra to ask the questions.
Thank you, Dr. Kulharsh, for the wonderful device you shown to us. I have just one question. What is the weight of it? Because every time when you are putting it, with the help of that swab stick, and it fixes as you shown automatically. So its
Sir.
weight is important.
Sir,
I would like to know what is.
Sir, it is made up of thermoplastic polyurethane material, which is kind of little porous substance. So if you measure it, it won't measure more than 5 to 10 grams.
Okay, and
5
is
to 10
it
milligrams.
it is available commercially?
Sir, as of now, it is available with the Orolab. Orolab is printing for internal circulation, and we will be soon make it available for commercial use. Otherwise, we have uploaded its 3D design over our Facebook page. So if anyone has access to 3D printer, that person can go with any that 3D printer person and get it printed with the 3D design which we have made available.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you, Dr. Kulash. Making it freely available makes that you have now made it an open source technology for anyone to actually use it and need not just depend upon purchasing it from Orolab. Any other questions, Dr. Himanshu? Any other questions anybody has? Dr. Himanshu,
What is the material?
Thermoplastic polyurethane, sir.
Okay.
I guess, Dr. Kulash, this is what children use while running to swim. The same material, possibly in the pool.
I am not sure regarding.
But that's the beauty part. It's very light. It's very
Yes.
light. It is moldable, and as you said, it's tough enough. But at the same time, it gives you the shape. So brilliant.
the
Any
second-
injury that you can have, if the patient suddenly moves their head, the problem is they keep them moving. It's a multi-direction movement, and that's where the problem that the whole thing can come off. That's the. Am I right?
Yes, sir. So one point I want to highlight that this the material which we have used, it has very long memory. The video which I had shown, I had recorded this 2 or 3 days back, but the device itself I had made it around 1 year back. So still in this 1 year, it has preserved its that recall memory. So it's just a one-time thing, sir.
Good. Right.
Thank you, Dr.